Hey my people, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel again. This is me posting my pancake recipe again. My long video has never ever gone beyond 100 views. May God help me again. May God help me. People say amen, amen. So we're making pancake today using just 7 ingredients. The first one is the flour. So you sieve your flour very well in case of any dates, you understand, so that we'll not be eating dates in your pancake. The next thing we are going to add is the sugar. I'm using my granulated sugar. So you pour that into your flour. Then you add in your salt. Just pinch, don't let it be too much. After that, you add in your baking powder. Baking powder. After you've added that already, just mix everything together. So when you're done mixing, you add in your milk. So I'm using just powdered milk here. So you mix that together with the flour mixture. Mix it together very well. Then now we are going to add water. When you add in your water, mix it very well until you don't feel any lumps in the batter. Once the batter is as smooth as this, then you add in your egg. I'm using just one egg. Just one egg. And you know one egg is like 50 grams. So you add in your egg into the batter. Then you are ready to make your pancake. With a little drop of oil, put that in your pan, then spread it around with your brush. When you are done with this, then you start to introduce your pancake batter. Your pancake batter. Once you start to notice all this bubble at the top of your pancake, then you flip over for the other side to cook as well. For the other side to be done. After you are done with that, then your pancake is ready. You will continue this process until you are done with the whole batter. Now that we are done, I want to teach you how to make this sauce that you can use for your pancake. And if you don't want to use it, you can use any sauce of your choice. Do you get? So for this, I'm using ketchup. You can use any product. So I'm using ketchup and mayonnaise. So I'm using Bama, the Bama product for this. So this ketchup and Bama, you mix it together. If you have black pepper at home, you can add your black pepper. When I was making this, I actually don't have black pepper. And I was pained, I don't have lemon too. So black pepper and lemon were missing. So I just used my ketchup and my mayonnaise. And it still makes so much sense. So you can use this and let me know what you feel about this sauce. Whether you like it or you don't like it, just give me the feedback under the comment section. Thank you for always watching. See you in the next one. Bye.